Dead or loose skin forming on the feet is your foot's way of naturally exfoliating and shedding dead skin cells. Dead skin can build up because of a lack of moisture if your feet are constantly in closed shoes or socks or from the friction of walking or running. It can also form if you don't regularly care for exfoliate or scrub your feet. Dead skin on the bottom of your foot may appear dry, cracked, or loose or hanging. It's usually not painful unless it's a result of athlete's foot eczema or another type of infection. If you suspect that's the case, see your doctor for treatment. Otherwise, you may want to remove dead skin for cosmetic reasons or because it's more comfortable. Here are some options for removing dead skin. Peppermint foot scrub with Epsom salt. You will need 1 cup Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil, 3 to 4 drops peppermint oil. Method: mix all the ingredients in a bowl and transfer to a glass jar. Scrub your feet for 10 minutes with this mixture. Leave it on for another 10 minutes. Wash and follow up with a moisturizer. How it works: peppermint oil relieves aches and pain. Coconut and olive oil soften the feet and moisturize them. This scrub is great for tight feet and is suited for all skin types. Caution: do a patch test before using peppermint oil. Coconut oil and salt foot scrub. You will need 1 cup salt. Use Epsom or any bath salt. Half cup of coconut oil, 3 to 4 drops of any essential oil, half cups vitamin E oil, optional. Method: mix all the ingredients in a bowl and store it in a jar. Keep it aside for a few days. Use a mixer to scrub your feet gently for at least 20 minutes. How it works: this is the best type foot scrub for cracked heels. It is safe for all skin types and rejuvenates your feet. Coconut oil is excellent for healing many skin conditions by keeping the skin moisturized. It has also anti-inflammatory effects and protects the skin barrier.